I do between 12 and 15 alternate endings for each video. I also do the same number of alternate intros. Here's one now that will self-destruct in probably 6 to 12 hours. Good luck.
He smoked you.
I damn near wet myself.
Yeah, so we're talking glow plug?
Your glow plug has to work
For your shit to run.
Sometimes it could be your glow igniter.
Simply compare glow plugs against one another. Standard or turbo head. This was, let's remember, a preview to the actual video with the greatest glow plug tip you'll ever hear.
Guaranteed.
Because if you're down for learning, I'll lace you up right here, right now. So first, I have no problem with turbo plugs.
Put a medium warm in it, and then that thing roared like a lion.
That's fairy tale shit, people. This one here, actually, it turned out to be the carb setting. This one here was due to a collet issue.
It's definitely, you can see here the clash.
It's running like a champ.
That felt good.
The one common denominator here is I ruled out the glow plug.
Oh, I got this. Oh, you guys like those tips, don't you? I know you do. I get it. That's what I do. Shit. After all, I'm Freaky Voice, the guy with the tips. And my pre-tip is, I got tips. I've got tips.
I've had numerous plugs go bad, usually within their first gallon. And it's during the break-in process. It is actually quite common. Consequently, I'll always replace after break-in, and then after that I check probably every half gallon or just whenever I take it out. And the concept is, based on the color of your glow plug, specifically its coil, it will tell you whether or not your engine is tuned or something like that. If you're relying on the color of your glow plug to tell you if your engine is rich, or if your engine is lean, or if your engine is spot on, you might want to take a different approach.
This video sucks, just so you know.
Get your hands up!
Savage annihilated that thing.
Did this man just say he wanted a tip?
No, he's just talking some old bullshit. How his Savage smashed on some toy grade RC car they got at Walmart just to show people how menacing his Savage is.
The fuck? You're kidding.
Shit, look at the screen. I wish I was kidding, but I guess that's how they roll. Anyways, forget all that. That's for another day. Let's get back to this shit.
Don't fuck around!
Oh hell no. That time I know for a fact I heard him ask explicitly for a tip.
Huh? No, he didn't.
Sure he did. I heard him at the end. You know, he said, give me a tip. Or some shit like that.
Okay, well, two things. First, I'm very sure he didn't. And second, please, don't ever see him again.
warm. I'm sorry, man. You just sit there with your big tip. I'll eat you, little faggot. Oh, you will, man. I'll get dinner served.
Oh, put the gun down.
Alright, come on, guys. I don't remember where we were now.
Well, can I at least get a tip, please?
Sure.
Yay! Hell yeah, here we go. Showtime. The real test of your blood plug is once the engine has started. Now there are many things to listen for, and in a subsequent video we're going to go over all of them. However, for now I'll give you one. After you're running racing, if you go full throttle and your engine suddenly dies, it's most likely a flood. And by die, I don't mean bought out, stumbles, stalls, business, cussed out, like a switch, off.
Okay, that's perfect. Thank you so much, Freaky Voice, the guy with the tips.
Oh, not a problem at all. We're good. Remember that, in that instance, if it's not your blood plug, then the next thing to check would be
Your fuel. Yes, I get it. Now, because this is nothing more than just a alternate preview of a previous video, we're going to go ahead and bail right now, because once again,
this here.
Sucks.